Okay, hey guys, what's up? Hi guys, today I'm going to be dressed as a Froggo and playing Eviction Notice with my two friends. With two of my friends. This is Gemstorm, and where's my other friend at? And there she is. Hello! Oh, it already loaded into the game. Anyway, so yeah, we're playing Eviction Notice. I don't even know why I'm trying to act super duper happy. Anyway, I never actually got to play this, because last time I played, remember the person just jumped straight in. They didn't even, play. There was, oh, god dang it! You must avenge me. Avenge the Froggo! No! You weren't able to avenge the Froggo! No! You weren't able to avenge the Froggo! And guys, we're calling on Discord right now. As you can see, if I come here, we're calling on Discord. We're a group of friends. They can't hear you, Ivy. Because I'm not able to share computer sound with the stupid Screencast-O-Matic. I really need to get OBS set up. I really need to just get OBS set up. But I don't feel like it right now. I must sit on the green. Why won't it let me sit on the green? Hey, you stole my green spot. Only Froggos can sit on green. My Froggo spot. I am a Froggo. Yeah, I'm fine. I'm fine with that. I'm just gonna work on this. Hi. Darn it. I thought they would be able to hear me. Okay, I have no idea what to do. So, I'm just gonna look at pictures of Froggos, because why not? That's a round Froggo. That's a good night Froggo. Yes, recalling. Yes. Ivy, they I keep getting notifications. No, I'm not getting to play. Oh god, dang it. It didn't work. I have to type it all over again. Froggo dance, Froggo dance, Froggo dance. Do your little Froggo dance. Froggo dance, do your little Froggo dance. Do a Froggo dance. Ivy, do a Froggo dance. Pixie, do a Froggo dance! Froggo dance, do your little Froggo dance. Froggo dance, do your little Froggo dance. Froggo dance, do your little Froggo dance. Ribbit, 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 jump. I don't know. /e happy. And now I go if now it's /e happy. Yep. Froggy chat. Froggy dance, froggy dance, froggy, froggy, froggy dance. Froggy dance, do your little Froggo dance. Gosh darn it, why does it keep doing that? Odd. Get out of the bed. Froggy World. There's the Froggy Joins, which is in the Froggy info. That's fine. Hawaii Froggo. Hawaii Flower Froggo. I should probably be paying attention to my game. Never vote out a Froggo. Never vote out a Froggo. No. Never vote out a Froggo, Froggo, Froggo. Emoji. Upload emoji. Froggo. Froggo Night. Hawaii Flower Froggo. I'm going to draw some art. Oh no, not this again. This was hard enough with only 3 people playing. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Never kill a Froggo. Never kill a Froggo. Don't kill Froggo. Don't kill Froggo. Don't kill Froggo. Oh! I got hit. Ow. 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 I'm dead. Why? Why do you kill a Froggo? Why you kill a Froggo? Kill Froggos. Avenge me! M killed me and they're dead now. So, yay. It is fine, my friend. You have avenged me enough. You are my special. You are special. Froggo dance, do your little Froggo dance. Somebody said no killing Froggos. I believe we have a Froggo supporter here. There's a Froggo supporter. He said no killing Froggos. What? Why you pick a Froggo? Oh, nice. Okay, there's 3 minutes. I have 2 minutes left that I'm possible to record because I can only record 15 for some reason. I almost fell there, and I fell. I hate my life. Just kidding, I don't hate my life. I just hate this game. Oof! I nearly just fell. I know, trust me, I've fallen many times. What's the highest score? What score is it? Darn it, I only have 3. No! Oh, I finished the course. What do you mean? Save Froggo.